Welcome to Plant a Garden TV, guys. How you all doing today? Yeah, today I'm going to show you guys. The video is kind of shaking, but I'm just going to show you guys ways that I get fertilizer manure for my garden, because like I said, I do not use chemicals. I need my vegetables to be very tasty. When you use this kind of stuff, listen me, it make the vegetable tasty and you just love it. You see guys, that's nature down inside there, man. Look that view. That's a beautiful view right there, right? Tell me about it. Beautiful. I know you guys enjoying this view. I know you guys loving this view. Beautiful, right? Oh man, these are my kind of views. You see, I don't know if you're seeing a red. Oh, damn, you have a red pretty bird over there. I see this bird all the time. All the time. Sometimes I believe they know me. Okay. This is my heap. What I have here is wood and dry bush. So I leave this here for rotten over the years. You see? There's a lot of rotten one underneath. There's a lot of rotten one all over. But this is what I do. You see that tree lie down there? All that I use and scrape out the inside in order for me to get my fertilizer. I don't know guys. I don't know if you guys see Tarzan. These are what Tarzan swing on. Oh yes, Tarzan swing on these. So if you want to swing, you cut one and you swing back and forth. You see that? I don't know if you see that red bird flying, but that bird always around me. I don't know what's the purpose, but it's always around me. Yeah, this is Tarzan right here. You see, go up inside there, so you cut and you hold and you swing. Okay. Yes, guys, so this is what I do. You see these dry bush? These dry bush, you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised what these dry bush can do right here. You see, over the years, they're rotten right here. The rotten right here, you just scrape off the top. That's all you do. Scrape off the bush on top. Okay? You see this? Look at this. You see this? Rotten wood, rotten bush, and dirt. These are my fertilizer for my plant and my manure. So many ways I get manure for my plant. Many different ways. So you come, you scrape off the bush. And when you scrape off the bush, all these rotten stuff underneath, like this, you see that? Oh, your plant's gonna love it. So I'm just showing you guys the ways of getting manure in your garden. You could scrape all your bush together. You see, look at it. Beautiful, nice, rich soil. So you could scrape all your bush together. You see this bush? I scrape them together and I blow them up in heaps like these and allow them for rotten for a few years. And after a few years, they become mushy and rotten. So that's what you use for your plant. You see, I'm giving you tips that you ain't got to buy nothing. You buy a few things to start out with, and after that, You need nothing. So just subscribe to my channel, because guys, like I tell you all, you see I plant fruit trees as well. This is a plum tree, I have an apple tree. This is a banana tree right here. Yeah. So guys, if you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos then, you're gonna be a farmer and you're gonna learn the natural way. You're gonna produce healthy product for you and your family. All right? So thank you all for all the support, all the love, all the subscribers. I appreciate you guys. I have a lot to show you guys, okay? Thank you all. Please like, subscribe, and share.